guys remember my shower door, right? I'm dropping it off at my friend's. So I'm just at my friend's house right now, just dropped the door off. And of course, I have to say hi to my friends. Hi, how are you guys? They're good, they're good. Do they have some eggs? Oh, there's one. Hi there. Hi guys. Oh, look at that big one. Whoa, easy. I miss Olive. Olive was a big turkey, a female turkey in there, and sadly she passed away, but she was so sweet. She would come to the door, she'd say hi, she'd let you pet her. She just loved human interaction, but sadly she passed away. We actually might be coming back here later on tonight to have a couple beers with my friend Chris, but as of right now, I have to go to Moore's and get fitted for my friend's wedding. You guys want to hear my favorite song right now? They look good in them blue jeans. Damn good looking boys, it ain't even right. When the bartender says for the lady, what's it gonna be? Tell him, man. Yeah. So I'm here at Moore's right now, and we are going to get fitted for our suits today. I'm on time. It's 12 o'clock. We're supposed to be here at 12 o'clock, and he's late. But he should be walking through that door any second. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing here today? Getting sized up or what? Yeah. Right on. We've got the suit that I'm wearing. Look at that.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you?
Look at that hair.
Times you said you're sorry. I'm still not sure if you told lies, but I don't care, it's all forgotten.
We're almost fitted. We're almost done. Done.
It's 112.
Jade invited me for a buffet, and obviously I said yes. So let's go have a buffet. Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the
So we just had a buffet at May Gold Village. It was a good buffet. We're in Rebecca's van right now, just finished buffet, was awesome, and we're going to dump some holding tanks, which will be exciting because I don't know how to dump these holding tanks, and we're gonna learn together. I love this van.
Straight?
Yeah, straight. I love how your whole home is like right back here. Automatic windows. Oh. That's what I was a door lock.
You more when you seem too far away.
So I think your hose is in here. And then you connect it under here. So you take this thing off and run this to the hole. Oh, there it is. Oh. There you go. It was stuck. It was stuck. See that? You just washed up. If you guys missed that, the hose is in there, black water, pull, drain, washed out. Let's go fill up fresh water. Okay, we figured it out. We got water, we dumped our holding tanks. Now, look at this. Just made some food, this beautiful spot here. Oh, that feels good. It feels good. That is a cruise ship right there. And that is one of our Navy ships. We have our Canadian naval fleet here, or part of our Canadian naval fleet here in a municipality called Esquimalt, which is just behind me. Anyways, after this, going to Chris's house and we're gonna have a couple beers and just hang out, and then I'm gonna end the vlog. The daily vlog has definitely been a challenge. I love it. If I had more time on my hands, I would do a video every single day. But I don't think that I can keep this up or maintain this. It's been a lot of work, and well, I've been working a lot. Now, if I wasn't working, I could definitely do a daily vlog every single day. But for now, a video every couple of days suits my lifestyle a little bit better. When I stop working throughout the winter time, I can probably upload more. But yeah, it's been fun. I hope that you guys enjoyed the daily vlog. And next stop, my friend Chris's. I love how little a steering wheel is. I love it.
Yeah.
Look at it. I love it. It's like... Oh! Limited time offer, save $3. Oh my god, I need to save $3. Oh, and you have limes. Yes. I had a couple too many beers and I completely forgot to end this video. So I'm gonna end it now, and yes, I realize I'm a day late for my last vlog. I failed my challenge. It is what it is. Sometimes life gets in the way, but I'll do as many as I possibly can. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Keep living that dream. Till next time, my friends. Take care and bye-bye.